Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to unbox and review this cool gadget, a portable fan. Whether you are relaxing at home, working in the office or out and about, this fan is going to be super handy. And the best part, you can use it all year round. To keep cool in the summer or just to keep the fresh air anytime. So let's get started. Alright, here is the box. It's quite small and very light. Right on the front you can see a nice picture of the fan along with the branding. On the side there is all the information like 360 degrees rotation, long battery life, 3-speed settings and details about its cool breeze feature. Let's go ahead and open the box to see what's inside. The first thing we see here is the pouch, but we'll get to that later along with the user manual. We have got a USB charging cable as well. And here comes the fan. It's smaller than I expected, but it feels strong. The design looks sleek and it's light enough to carry around easily. Here is something really cool. The fan comes with a flexible gorilla style tripod. It is super strong and can twist into almost any shape, letting you mount the fan wherever you need it. Be it on a desk or car handle, this tripod gives you a solid grip no matter where you want to use the fan. At the back, you'll find the speed button right here, along with the USB-C type charging port, making it easy to recharge quickly. Plus, there is a small LED light as well, which indicates the battery status. Another great feature is that you can adjust the fan's direction easily. You can tilt it up and down or rotate it sideways to get the perfect airflow wherever you need it. It's pretty handy. Here we have a mini leaflet showcasing the range of products offered by company. The next is user manual, which provides detailed instructions on how to use the fan effectively. Additionally, they have included a safety instruction card on how to use fans safely and responsibly. Let's take a closer look at this fan. It is designed with a 6mm gap to prevent a baby's fingers from entering. This fan is equipped with a powerful and quiet 3000 RPM turbo motor. The product weighs around 168 grams. Regarding the battery life, it can be used for up to 8 hours on a single charge. But this may fluctuate depending on the speed level you are using. The best part is that you can also charge it with your power bank. Additionally, we'll receive a 36-month warranty for this product. I really like how small and versatile this fan is. It's so easy to carry around. I even tried using it in my car on a rainy day when it was already quite cold inside, just to show how useful it can be while driving. I mounted the fan in different places like the grab handle, the headrest and even on the sun visor. And it worked perfectly in all those spots. It stayed secure and gave a nice breeze throughout my journey. It was really helpful. So that's it about this cool gadget. If you'd like to purchase this product, the link is provided in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And I'll see you in the next one.